Check out this Ram 2018 2500 Bighorn. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are park sense front rear park assist system, monotone paint included, headlamp filler panels and door handles are black when ordering special low-volume paints, bright silver metallic clear coat, power folding black trailer tow mirrors included, exterior mirrors with supplemental signals, power folding mirrors, exterior mirrors courtesy lamps, black MIC exterior mirrors, trailer tow mirrors, off-road package included, front performance tune shock absorbers, tow hooks, off-road decal transfer case, skid plate shield, rear performance tune shock absorbers, wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches painted alum with chrome inserts included, tires LT 285/60R20 EOWL on off-road, LED bed lighting, radio, Uconnect 4C with 8.4 display included, Google